If you don't like feeling left behind, but still want to stay ahead of the curve, then keep watching. In 1950, Alan Turing, a pioneer in computer science, asked a bold question: can machines think? He introduced the idea of the Turing test, a benchmark to see if a machine's behavior is indistinguishable from a human's. Fast forward to today, AI is everywhere, from your smartphone to self-driving cars. But can AI really match or surpass human intelligence? Some experts believe we're on the brink of an AI revolution, where machines could excel in fields like medicine, finance, and even creativity. Imagine AI composing symphonies or finding cures for diseases faster than any human could. The potential is mind-blowing. So, what do you think? Could AI be our greatest ally or our biggest challenge? Let's explore this brave new world together.